Millions of drivers own cars packed with hidden features they have never used. Not because the features do not work. Not because they are difficult to find. Simply because nobody ever told them they existed. One of the tricks in this video could save you hundreds of dollars. Another might keep you from calling a tow truck. And the number one feature has probably been sitting inside your car since the day you bought it. Here is what most drivers never realize. Modern vehicles are packed with backup systems, emergency functions, and convenience features designed for everyday problems. But the information is usually buried inside a thick owner's manual almost nobody reads. Mechanics know many of these shortcuts because they see them every day. Dealership technicians use them regularly. Yet the average owner may drive the same vehicle for 10 years without ever knowing they exist. Your car already knows how to help you. The problem is that almost nobody uses these features. Number 10. The hidden mechanical key inside your key fob. Imagine this. You are standing outside your car. You press the unlock button. Nothing happens. You press it again. Still nothing. Most drivers immediately assume the key fob battery is dead and panic. What they do not realize is that nearly every modern smart key contains a hidden mechanical key. Usually, it is released by pressing a small latch or sliding a tiny switch on the side of the fob. Once removed, that metal key can unlock the driver's door manually. Manufacturers included it for exactly this situation. Because electronics fail, batteries die, but mechanical systems provide a backup. Mechanics use this feature constantly. Not because it is complicated, because it is reliable. The benefit is obvious. No waiting for roadside assistance. No broken window. No unnecessary locksmith bill that can easily cost $150 or more. The next time your key fob stops responding, check the hidden mechanical key first. Number 9. Starting the engine with a dead key fob battery. Now you have unlocked the door. There is just one problem. The start button still is not responding. Again, most drivers think they are stranded, but many vehicles can still recognize a dead key fob. Manufacturers install an emergency RFID backup system inside the push-button start module. Even when the key fob battery is dead, the transponder chip inside the key usually does not require battery power. Simply placing the key fob against the designated start button or backup sensing area allows the vehicle to detect it. Every manufacturer places that location differently. Sometimes it is the start button itself. Sometimes it is inside the center console. Sometimes near the steering column. The owner's manual identifies the exact location. This feature exists because manufacturers expect key fob batteries to fail. The backup system keeps you moving. Instead of calling a tow truck, many drivers simply replace the key fob battery later that day. That small piece of knowledge can save hours of frustration. Number 8. The windshield defogging trick. Most drivers use incorrectly. Few driving situations become stressful faster than a fogged windshield. Visibility disappears. Drivers start wiping the glass with their hands. Some lower the windows. Others blast random climate settings. Most never understand what the HVAC system is actually trying to do. If your windshield fogs from the inside, the problem is humidity. The fastest solution usually combines warm air directed at the windshield with the air conditioning compressor running. Many people think the AC should stay off during winter, but the compressor removes moisture from the air before it reaches the windshield. That is why modern vehicles often activate the compressor automatically during defrost mode. The system is not trying to cool the cabin, it is drying the air. Once humidity drops, condensation disappears much faster. The result is clearer visibility, safer driving, less frustration, and fewer drivers wiping the inside of the windshield while driving. Number 7. Using the recirculation button at the right time. Most people press the recirculation button without knowing what it does, or they never touch it at all. Both are mistakes. The recirculation system closes the outside air door and reuses cabin air. During extremely hot weather, this allows the air conditioner to cool already conditioned air instead of constantly cooling hot outside air. The cabin reaches a comfortable temperature faster. The compressor also works less once the cabin has cooled. That can improve comfort and reduce strain on the climate system. But here's what most drivers never realize. Leaving recirculation on continuously during cool or rainy weather can increase cabin humidity. That is why windows sometimes fog unexpectedly. Modern climate systems often switch between fresh air and recirculation automatically. They do this because humidity management is just as important as temperature. Knowing when to use recirculation manually gives you better comfort and fewer fogging problems. Number 6. The emergency fuel door release. Picture this. You stop at a gas station. You pull the fuel door release. Nothing happens, or the electronic fuel door actuator fails. Many drivers immediately assume they need repairs. What they do not know is that many vehicles include an emergency manual fuel door release. It is usually hidden inside the trunk behind a trim panel near the fuel filler area. Some vehicles use a small cable, others use a manual release tab. Manufacturers include it because electrical actuators can fail. Instead of towing the vehicle simply because you cannot add fuel, the backup release gets you moving again. Mechanics know where these releases are located. Most owners never even know they exist. The benefit is obvious. No unnecessary service appointment. No expensive emergency diagnosis. No waiting days just to fill the tank. Sometimes a 30-second manual release is all you need. Number 5. Folding mirrors. The way they were designed. We are halfway through the list, and we have already uncovered features that can save real money. But the top 5 are the ones even experienced owners often miss. Many modern vehicles with power folding mirrors also allow manual folding when necessary. That matters more than it sounds. Parking garages, narrow streets, automatic car washes, tight parking spaces. Mirror damage is one of the most common cosmetic repairs mechanics see. Replacement mirror assemblies can cost several $100s. Sometimes much more when cameras, blind spot sensors, heating elements, and memory functions are included. Manufacturers design folding mirrors to absorb minor impacts by moving instead of breaking. Knowing when and how to fold them before entering tight spaces often prevents repairs altogether. This is not a hack. It is the way the mirror was engineered to protect itself. Number 4. The climate control reset function. Have you ever noticed your automatic climate control behaving strangely? One side blows warmer than the other. Airflow seems inconsistent. The fan changes speed unexpectedly. Many drivers assume something is broken. Sometimes that is true, but not always. Modern HVAC systems rely on small electric blend door actuators that learn operating positions over time. After a battery replacement, low battery voltage, or certain repairs, those positions can become confused. On many vehicles, the climate system includes a self-calibration or relearn procedure. Sometimes it happens automatically after cycling the ignition. On other models, holding a specific combination of climate buttons starts recalibration. Manufacturers designed this because electronic components occasionally lose reference positions. Dealership technicians know these procedures well. Most owners never hear about them. This will not repair a failed actuator or broken HVAC system. But if the issue is calibration, a quick relearn may restore normal operation without replacing good parts. Number 3. Your phone can read basic engine trouble codes. Imagine this. A check engine light suddenly appears. The car still drives normally. Most drivers immediately imagine the worst. Some go straight to the dealership. Others keep driving without knowing whether the problem is minor or serious. Here is what mechanics quietly use. A simple Bluetooth OBD2 scan tool. Many cost less than a tank of fuel. They plug into the diagnostic port, usually beneath the dashboard. Paired with a reputable smartphone app, they can display basic trouble codes, freeze-frame data, and live engine information. This does not replace professional diagnosis. A code points toward a system. It does not automatically identify the failed part. But knowing whether the code relates to a loose fuel cap, oxygen sensor, or misfire changes how you respond. Sometimes it is safe to drive home. Sometimes the vehicle needs immediate attention. Either way, you are making informed decisions instead of guessing. That is why experienced technicians begin with diagnostics instead of replacing random parts. Number 2. Rain sensing wipers. Most owners never configure properly. Many drivers assume rain sensing wipers either work well or they do not. In reality, many simply are not adjusted correctly. Vehicles equipped with automatic wipers usually have a sensitivity adjustment built into the wiper stock. That small dial does not only control speed, it controls how sensitive the rain sensor becomes. The sensor uses infrared light reflected through the windshield. As water accumulates, the reflected signal changes. The control module then decides when and how fast the wipers should operate. If sensitivity is too low, the windshield may become covered before the wipers react. If it is too high, the blades may wipe unnecessarily during light mist. Most owners never touch that adjustment after buying the vehicle. Many never realize it exists. Taking a few seconds to set sensitivity for your local weather makes the system feel much smarter. It is not changing the hardware. It is letting the system work the way engineers intended. Number 1. The battery reset. After replacing your key fob battery. Here's a situation almost every modern driver experiences. The key fob battery becomes weak. Range decreases. Buttons stop responding consistently. You replace the battery. But strangely, the key still behaves oddly. Some owners assume the key fob is defective. Others schedule a dealership appointment. What many manufacturers quietly include is a simple resynchronization procedure. Depending on the vehicle, locking and unlocking the doors manually, pressing a button sequence, or starting the vehicle with the key inside allows the body control module to confirm communication with the remote again. No special programming equipment, no expensive replacement. Just a built-in procedure designed for normal ownership. This does not apply to every make and model. Some vehicles truly require dealer-level programming after certain repairs, but many simply need the correct synchronization process outlined in the owner's manual. Mechanics know these procedures because they perform them regularly. Most owners never think to look. That small piece of knowledge can prevent an unnecessary dealership visit costing anywhere from $100 to several $100s. That is why this earns the number 1 spot. Not because it is dramatic, because it is practical, because it affects millions of drivers, and because most people never realized the feature already existed. Looking back, a pattern appears. Modern vehicles are not just becoming smarter because of new technology. They are becoming smarter because manufacturers add backup systems, convenience functions, and emergency features that quietly protect owners from everyday problems. The challenge is not that these features are impossible to find. The challenge is that most people never learn they are there. Mechanics see them every day. Dealership technicians rely on them constantly. Yet many owners only discover them after an expensive mistake. Understanding your vehicle does not require being an engineer. You do not need specialized tools. You do not need years of mechanical experience. Sometimes all it takes is knowing where to look. The hidden mechanical key. The dead fob start procedure. Proper windshield defogging. Using recirculation correctly. Manual fuel door releases. Mirror protection. Climate recalibration. Basic diagnostic scanning. Rain sensing adjustments. Key fob synchronization. None of these modify the vehicle. None require expensive accessories. They are features your vehicle may already include. The smartest drivers are not always the ones with the newest cars. They are the ones who understand the car they already own. That is how unnecessary repairs are avoided. That is how frustration becomes confidence. And that is how small pieces of knowledge save money year after year. So now I want to hear from you. Which hidden feature surprised you the most? How many of these did you already know? And what is the best hidden feature you have discovered in your own vehicle? Share your experience in the comments. If you enjoy practical mechanic advice, hidden vehicle features, and real-world tips that make car ownership easier and less expensive, subscribe and join us for the next video. Because the best upgrade for any vehicle usually is not a new part. It is understanding the one you already own.